Coca Cola's key ingredients include high fructose corn syrup, caramel color, caffeine, and phosphoric acid, each playing a vital role in crafting its distinctive flavor profile. Moreover, natural flavors like vanilla, cinnamon, and citrus serve as secret enhancements, setting Coca Cola apart from other soft drinks and solidifying its iconic taste. To maintain its high standards, Coca Cola rigorously tests each ingredient for purity, ensuring that every batch meets its strict quality benchmarks before production. The production process consists of several critical stages: mixing, carbonation, bottling, and quality control. Each step is essential in preserving the drink's unique taste and overall quality. Within this process, carbonation is meticulously regulated to achieve the perfect level of fizz, guaranteeing consistency across all production facilities. In addition, stringent quality control measures are consistently applied throughout production, with samples tested at various stages to ensure flavor, carbonation, and overall quality adhere to Coca Cola's high standards. Furthermore, employees must don protective clothing and uphold cleanliness in production areas to avoid contamination, emphasizing the brand's commitment to safety in maintaining product quality. Coca Cola also adapts its recipes according to regional taste preferences, showcasing the brand's dedication to catering to local markets, which has significantly enhanced its global appeal. Additionally, the company's marketing strategies, such as the memorable Share a Coke campaign, have forged strong emotional connections with consumers, boosting brand recognition and engagement. The company actively supports a variety of charitable causes, reflecting its commitment to social and environmental initiatives worldwide and aligning with its broader corporate social responsibility goals. Overall, the meticulous production process, from ingredient mixing to bottling, ensures the quality and consistency of every Coca Cola bottle, reinforcing consumer trust in the brand. Despite challenges in the soft drink market, Coca Cola's marketing strategies continue to cultivate strong emotional ties with consumers, allowing the brand to remain a household name.